I'm sure a lot of you have not heard much about this lovely winter green called Bathua, or probably you have heard about it but not sure how to make recipes out of it. Let me show you an interesting recipe today, Bathua stuffed paratha. I am putting here 3 cups of water to boil. In the meanwhile, I am going to wash the Bathua leaves, plucked and separated from 2 bunches of Bathua. I am washing it thoroughly with water before cooking to get rid of all the dirt from the leaves. The water is bubbling and I am putting the leaves to boil for 5 to 7 minutes. Time is up. The leaves are boiled and tender. I am squeezing out all the excess water from the leaves, but we are not going to throw it away. This is extremely nutritious and we will be using it to make the dough for the parathas. But before we make the dough, let's prepare the Bathua stuffing. The pan is hot. Keep the flame low. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil. To this, I am adding half teaspoon of Asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon Cumin Seeds or jeera, 1 tablespoon Ginger-Chilli Paste. Saute this well. Add in 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, to these spices, we will add the boiled Bathua leaves, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder or amchur powder and salt. Since Bathua doesn't have a very strong flavor of its own, I am flavoring it with the basic spices. Keep stirring it. Once done, let us put this to cool down before we stuff it in the parathas. In the meanwhile, I am taking 2 cups of whole wheat atta to make the dough for the parathas. Adding in the Bathua water. This is almost 1 cup of Bathua water which I am taking in batches to knead the dough. Along with this, I am also adding a little more plain water. Add in 1 teaspoon of oil and knead it a little more. The dough is smooth and soft. We will be setting this aside for 5 minutes before rolling out the parathas. To roll out the parathas, take a small portion of the atta and flatten the dough ball. Dust it with some dry atta and roll it into a small dough circle. Similarly, make another. Take a spoonful of the stuffing and keep it in between one of the circles. Place the other on top of it. Now seal from the edges this way. Press it gently, dust some dry flour and roll it with gentle hands. Similarly, we will roll all our parathas. Time to cook the paratha. I am transferring the paratha on a heated skillet which is on medium flame. Dropping in some oil. Spread it nicely on the paratha. Once it's roasted on one side, flip it to the other. Roast well until brown spots appear. Similarly, we will cook the other parathas. Bathua parathas are done and ready. Serve them hot with pickle and enjoy to the fullest till the season lasts. Eat well, live well, and stay blessed.